Question number 141. Select the correct statement. The very first statement given is, a restriction exonuclease cuts both strands of foreign DNA as well as vector DNA at specific palindromic sequences. And as it is an incorrect statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because a restriction endonuclease and not exonuclease cuts both strands of foreign DNA as well as vector DNA at specific palindromic sequences. Exonucleases removes nucleotides from the ends of DNA. The next statement given is, a restriction endonuclease is named on the basis of scientific name and strain of bacteria from which it is isolated. And as it is a correct statement, so this is a correct answer to our question. The next statement given is, all restriction enzymes cut the strands of DNA in the center of palindromic site between the same two bases of opposite strand. And as it is an incorrect statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because restriction endonucleases may cut DNA strands away from the center of palindromic sequence to produce two different sticky ends or blunt ends. The next statement given is, when cut by same restriction enzyme, the resultant DNA fragments generate different kinds of sticky ends. And this is also an incorrect statement, because different restriction endonucleases cut strands of DNA to produce different kinds of sticky ends. On the contrary, digestion with same restriction enzyme will result in DNA fragments of same kinds of sticky ends. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 142, abbreviation MOET stands for, and the very first option given is multiple ova embryo transgenics. And as this abbreviation doesn't represent multiple ova embryo transgenics, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Now next is multiple ovary embryo transfer, and this cannot be a correct answer as it is incorrect. Next is multiple ovulation embryo transfer, and as MOET stands for multiple ovulation embryo transfer, so this is a correct answer to our question. And the last option given is multiple ovulation embryo transgenics, so this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 143. Hisardale is a resultant of, and the options are outcrossing, inbreeding depression, crossbreeding, and interspecific hybridization. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, crossbreeding. Hisardale is a resultant of crossbreed between Bikaneri eves and Merino rams. Now let's discuss the rest of the options. The very first option given is outcrossing, and this cannot be a correct answer because a single outcross can overcome inbreeding depression. So this cannot be a correct answer. Next option is inbreeding depression, and this cannot be a correct answer because continuous inbreeding usually reduces fertility and even productivity, and this is known as inbreeding depression. The last option given is interspecific hybridization, and this cannot be a correct answer. Mule is a resultant of interspecific hybridization. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 144. Select the mismatch, and the very first match given is apiculture, and the match given is rearing of honeybees. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next match given is sericulture, and the match is rearing of silkworms. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next match given is aquaculture, and the match given is production of only aquatic plants. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because aquaculture refers to rearing of all types of aquatic animals and plants in controlled condition to increase their yield. So this is an incorrect match. The last match given is pisciculture, and the match given is rearing of fishes. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because pisciculture is rearing of only fishes. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 145. All of the following are side effects of use of anabolic steroids in females except, and the options are masculinization, mood swings, enlargement of clitoris, and breast enlargement. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, breast enlargement, because breast enlargement is the side effect of use of anabolic steroids in males. Anabolic steroids are similar to testosterone that result in increased protein synthesis in bodybuilders. In females, it causes masculinization, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Mood swings, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Enlargement of clitoris, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. But not enlargement of breast, so this is a correct answer to our question. But in males, testosterone is converted into estrogen by enzyme aromatase, causing enlarged breast as a side effect. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.